I show you how to fix Windows startup problems, slow boot and startup fix. Okay guys, first you need to do, just press on your keyboard Ctrl Shift and Escape and you will see Task Manager and move here to Startup and you will see all your apps on Startup. Just disable apps you don't use, just do like me, click on it and you will see here Disable. Click this and you will see here Disable it and do this for all apps. After you do this like me, you can close this, press Windows button and type like me CMD and you will see here Run as Administrator, open it, go yes and type this command like me, cfc scan now and hit enter and wait for this. After finishing this, just type one more command and hit enter and wait for this. After finishing this, you will see operation completed successfully, close this and restart your PC. And that's it all guys for this video, how to fix Windows startup problems, slow boot and startup fix. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.